In this session, I am going to discuss about remaining rules of the subject and verb agreement. Already in previous video, I had explained 4 rules. Remaining rules in this video only 4 rules I want to explain. And rule 5. A noun singular in form and collective in sense takes a singular verb. That means, here according to this example I will explain you. The council has chosen its president. Another one, Parliament has elected its speaker. In these 2 sentences, what do you understand here? Oneness in action. The council here, actually it is collective in sense, but takes a noun in singular form. In singular form it is. That means when there is oneness in action, the verb is singular. That should be keep it in your mind. But when there is diversity and every member of the collective noun has to be mentioned, the verb used is plural. I will say it. First I want to explain it. Oneness in action, the verb is singular. That should be keep it in your mind. Oneness in action. Here see the council. It is collective in the sense, but oneness in the action. Council total, that council members has chosen its president. Then we are using singular verb. And another one, Parliament has elected its speaker. It is also Parliament here. That collective in sense, Parliament indicating. But it takes a singular verb. That is here you have to understand. But here one note also there. You have to keep it in your mind it is. But when there is diversity and every member of the collective noun has to be mentioned, the verb used is plural. See, here it is important. Diversity and every member of the collective noun. At that time we are using plural verb or helping verb. The committee are divided on one minor point. Here the committee indicating here, it is also collective in sense. That word indicating here collective in the sense. But every member of the collective noun here indicating us. Because according to this sentence, according to that sentence meaning, that every member of the collective noun has to be mentioned in this sentence. So that we are using plural verb here. The committee are divided on one minor point. So here in this sentence, this noun indicating here every member of the collective noun. Not only one member. We are not taking here as a collective in the sense, in this sentence. Actually the committee means it is collective noun, committee. But here every member of the collective noun indicating us. So that we are using here plural verb. And now another one. The crew were taken prisoners. Then here crew also, that is collective noun. Collective noun it is indicating here crew. But here every member of the collective noun indicating us. Because those members, total members crew were taken prisoners. Here then we are using plural verb. Then here collective in the sense indicating singular helping verb. And collective in the sense but every member of the collective noun has to be mentioned, then we are using plural verb. That is the difference between these two. And now rule 6. 2 subjects are joined by either or neither nor. The verb agrees with the subject near to it. When 2 subjects or 2 nouns are joined by either or, neither nor. So the verb agrees with the subject near to it. Then either my brother or I am to complete this work. Either my brother or I am. So here my brother or I am to complete this work. Verb here am we are using because the verb agrees with the subject near to it. Verb near singular subject is there. So that verb before singular subject is there. So that we are using singular helping verb only. Singular verb only. Either or when we connect two nouns or two subjects join with either or, verb agrees with near subject. What is near subject here? I. So that verb agrees with this subject I. And now neither he nor they are prepared to do this work. Here see, neither nor we are using. With this we are connecting these two pronouns, he and they. And here neither he nor they are prepared to do this work because the verb agrees with the subject near to it. See what is that subject here? Plural subject, they. So that we are using are plural verb. Here subject is I. So that verb agrees with I. It is not observing, it is not follow with another noun. Only near noun what is there? It follows when we connecting words or subjects with either or and neither nor. We follow this rule. That should be keep it in your mind. Rule 7. Two subjects are joined by with, together with, in addition to, etc. The verb agrees with the first subject. This rule also most important one. We are using with, together with, in addition to number of times. At that time, if you keep it in your mind this rule, you can easily construct sentence without mistake. And now, the boy with his parents has arrived. The boy with his parents. Here see, the boy, it is indicating singular noun, the boy. His parents, here plural it is. Parents here plural. But when we connect these two nouns with, verb agrees with first subject. What is first subject? Boy, singular. If here in this place plural noun is there, plural verb or helping verb we have to use. Here singular is there now, so we have to use singular verb. The boy with his parents has arrived. Has arrived we used here because this verb agrees with first subject boy singular. So that we constructed like this sentence. And another sentence, another example. The officer together with his subordinates was present in the function. Subordinates, it is also plural noun. The officer here singular noun. But verb agrees with first subject officer. So that verb we are using here was singular verb we are using here because these two nouns connecting with together with, that is here you have to observe. The officer together with his subordinates was present in the function. Another one, hard labor in addition to intelligence is needed for success in life. Here see, hard labor and intelligence both also connecting with in addition to. So that we are using singular verb because hard labor we are considering here, we are taking it here in this sentence as a singular noun, hard labor. Hard labor, that means here abstract noun it is. Hard labor in addition to intelligence is needed for success in life. That when we connect two nouns with together with in addition to the verb agrees with first subject. That should be keep it in your mind. According to that rule only you have to construct sentence. If you follow like this, you will not write or speak mistakes in your English improvement subsection. That should be keep it in your mind. And rule 8. A great many is always followed by a plural noun and plural verb. So then, a great many students have been declared successful. A great many. When we start with this, a great many, it should follow plural noun and we have to take plural verb. A great many students. Students here there now. So that we are using here plural verb. We are thinking like this. But not only plural, a great many more members in those. When we say we are constructing like this sentence only. A great many students have been declared successful. Because a great many we consider here, we followed by plural noun and plural verb. So that we are using here plural verb. And another example. A great many men have come. Here also we are taking plural verb because according to that rule. Thank you. In next session, I am going to explain you remaining rules. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write in comment box. I will clarify it.